Hey guys, it's me TFOC or the Fun of Classic, and as you know, I have moved. And I've basically moved from, Markov to Riften, or well, in my case in Iceland, from Reykjavik to Deepdale. Now we have that. Um, and yeah, here's the news about why Dragon Sun has gone off my list. I am not doing like I did before in the past. I didn't feel the series when I just started it and then I delete the series. No, I had to delete Dragon Sun because I had to delete the whole game because it broke down, it crashed, and it did never want to start up again. And also, I just immediately when I saw the game breaking down, I just thought to myself, okay, well, now I can save up for the new computer and do this game again sometime in the future in full graphic and just show you guys the big and huge beauty of the game and with a webcam as well. So that's a good thing, I guess. But yeah, anyways, I have 3 games for you guys to pick that will replace Dragon Sun, and here are the games: Mario Party for the Nintendo 64, Chrono Trigger for the Super Nintendo, Golden Sun for the Game Boy Advance. And yeah, that were the games. I hope you guys will pick. I will give you guys a week or so to do that. Then I'll pick what game will be my second season instead of Dragon Sun. And in the meantime, I will be playing some randomly plays, testing out some games. You might even see a co-op or something. I don't know. Just in the meantime. But yeah, please do choose a game. You choose by just writing it down in the comment section. And yeah, vlogs coming soon with my phone, where I can walk around Iceland and show you guys things. I've actually did record 2 vlogs, but they are pre-recorded, and it's going to be really weird for me to edit them because I've done it all before. But yeah, thank you for watching, guys.